How to delete TapTap Transfer History. Open the TapTap Send app and navigate to the Settings or Account Settings section. Look for any options related to transaction history, privacy, or account management. If you can't find an option within the app, consider reaching out to TapTap Send's customer support. Contact their support team through the app or visit their official website for contact information. Review TapTap Send's privacy and security policies to understand how they handle user data, including transaction history. Some financial institutions have policies on data retention and may automatically delete or anonymize data after a certain period. Ensure that your TapTap Send app is up to date. Developers sometimes introduce new features or settings in app updates. Be aware of any legal or regulatory requirements regarding data retention that TapTap Send must comply with. That's how to delete TapTap Transfer History.